Hey, welcome back for our second session of Bad Kitty. Now, Bad Kitty originally was just all by himself and he got all the attention from his loving parents. And then they had their first surprise. And their first surprise was Puppy. And Kitty did not like Puppy. And now the parents have said that there's a second surprise and Bad Kitty is worried. What could the second surprise be? The first one was terrible. And they have good old Uncle Murray to watch over Bad Kitty. Goodbye, Kitty. Goodbye, Puppy. Goodbye, Uncle Murray. We'll see you in 1 week. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't you worry about a thing. We'll be all just fine. Day 1. Hello? Fire department? Hi. I have a cat stuck in a tree. Can you come over as soon as possible? Thanks. Meow. Yes. Arf, 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 arf. Day 2. Hello, fire department. Hi. Yeah, I have a dog stuck in a tree. That's right. I said a dog. Can you come right over? Thanks. Arf, meow, arf, arf, meow. Day 3. Hello, fire department. Hi, it's me again. He he he. Well, you're not gonna believe this, but that cat and dog are both stuck up in that tree again, and you know the address. Thank you. Meow, bark, hiss. There's Uncle Murray. And slowly he becomes more and more exasperated. He doesn't know what to do to take care of Bad Kitty and Puppy. Day 4. Hello, fire department. Hi. You're not gonna believe this, but this time I'm the one stuck in the tree. It's kind of a funny story. You see, hello? Hello? Meow, arf, arf. Day 5. Hello, fire department. Hi, yeah. Still in the tree here. So whenever you get the chance. Day 6. Hello, fire department. Hi. Yep. It's me again. Yeah. Well, now I have a refrigerator stuck up in the tree. That's right, a refrigerator. See, the cat was chasing the dog and then, hello? Hello? Why? Why is Uncle Murray saying hello when he's on the phone to the fire department? Do you think they're hanging up on him because they're a little bit frustrated with Uncle Murray? Day 7. Hello, plant nursery. Hi. I need to order a tree. A new tree, please. Yeah. What did Uncle Murray have to do? Why does he need a new tree? Do you think he cut down the old one finally? Uncle Murray makes me laugh, friends. Uncle Murray's fun facts. Why do cats climb trees? All cats like to climb trees. Even big cats like lions and jaguars, but mostly tigers, like to climb trees. And they all do it for 3 different reasons. 1. Cats like to climb trees. Well, because they like to. Cats aren't very tall, so climbing up things like trees will give them the opportunity to see their surroundings from high. Plus, while they're at it, climbing up a tree gives cats the opportunity to sharpen their claws, which they do all the time anyway. And the higher up they go, the thinner the air, which is why they go crazy, says Uncle Murray. 2. Cats will also climb trees because they are predators, which means they hunt other animals. When they climb up in a tree to inspect their surroundings, part of it, what they're looking for is something to eat. And as an added bonus, they happen to be some tasty things like birds, squirrels, already nesting in those trees. Squirrels? Ugh. They eat squirrels? Birds I knew about, but squirrels, that's proof that cats are crazy, says Uncle Murray. Number 3. Cats may be predators, but there are bigger animals like dogs who sometimes attack cats. Climbing up a tree can save a cat from harm. Don't you believe it. That dog wouldn't hurt a fly, says Uncle Murray. 1 week later. We're back. Oh my goodness. Look at that house. Look at poor Uncle Murray. And bad kitty and puppy. It's a mess, isn't it? Oh, thank you so much, Uncle Murray, for taking such good care of Kitty and Puppy. I hope they weren't too much trouble. How'd they get a refrigerator up there? It must weigh 200 pounds at least. And it was a nice one too. It made ice. I like those. You know, the kind with the little holes. They're fancy, but not too fancy. But how'd they get up there? A toaster? Maybe? But a refrigerator. How'd they get that up there? Goodbye, Uncle Murray. Hi, Kitty. You're not still sore at us for going on that trip without you, are you? Well, this will cheer you up. Do you remember what that real big surprise was that we promised you? Do you? Do you? Anyone know what the big surprise is? Well, here she is. Chapter 2. What the heck is that thing? Thanks for listening. Happy snack time.